Am I worried, perturbed, disturbed when a brother, a sister, a friend, or a neighbor is progressing in his or her vocation, marriage, profession, education, health-wise? Does it make me uneasy? If yes, why? Another question. Do I feel comfortable, joyful, satisfied, unperturbed when my brother or sister, friend or neighbor is not doing well? When such a one is reckoned with failure, poverty, sickness, shame, and disgrace? If yes, why? Unfortunately, today we live largely in a world where you find many people unhappy at the progress or progresses of others and happy at the failure, at the backwardness, at the disappointments of others. In John chapter 9, from verse 1 to 41, the Pharisees were unnecessarily disturbed, worried that a blind man was healed by Jesus. They began to ask many questions. Who healed you? How did he heal you? What did he do? They went to the extent of interrogating the parents of the man. Is this son of yours born blind? To the extent that the man that was healed got pissed off. Why are you asking me? You've asked me before. They began to attack the personality of Jesus, as to say he were an impostor, because they closed their hearts and minds to the truth out of envy and jealousy. They refused to appreciate the goodness of God. Ephesians chapter 5 from verse 8 to 14 calls us to leave the path of darkness and to walk in the light of God. Walking in love, in truth, discarding envy and jealousy is the thrust of this message. David was anointed. 1 Samuel chapter 16, 1b, 7 to 8, 10 to 13a. It was the choice of God. God's ways are not our ways. Rather than hating, we should love. When we love, the blessings of God will reach all of us. And that is when the Lord will be our shepherd, and we shall not want. May the Lord bless you, and may He keep you. Shalom.